Okay, today I'm dynamatting the trunk of my car. You can see I got everything out, had to vacuum, got a mess here, but I'm attempting to dynamat my trunk. Not very pretty, but the carpet's going to cover it, so you won't see it. I've been behind the subwoofer, took the bracket out, put some dynamat underneath the bracket, and there I still got spots to cover. Get behind this little piece here because it looked like it was rattling a little bit. So that's my project for today. Hopefully when I'm done, be a little less sound in the car. The subwoofer will sound better. My exhaust won't be so loud inside the car for my passengers, which didn't bother me too much. But then last night I put some Garden Gloss on by Adams Polishes. It was dark out when I put it on, so I'm lucky it came out as good as it did. Car's looking pretty good. Shined the tires today. Take out my trunk liners, spare tire. Thing, it's not the back cover there. And I don't know if I'm going to get the thing completely covered with Dynamat because it's been a long project so far. I may just get this spot where the spare tire goes finished covered, and maybe a little bit more back here. It's kind of hard with the wires there, and then call it a day. See how it sounds like that. Hopefully that's enough to just deaden the sound a little bit. My passengers aren't annoyed by the sound. That actually I kind of like the sound, but that's what I got going on for today. The Batmobile's coming along. You know, got the exhaust on, done. Got the cold air intake in, and soundproofing the trunk. Continuing with the Adams Polishes. Now it's Garden Gloss. It's kind of like putting Rain-X on your paint after you wash it. The water just rolls up and beads off like it does on your window after Rain-X, and it seals the paint a little bit. It gives it pretty good shine. And as you can see the reflections in the paint, the Dynamat, and reflection of me. And the paint looks pretty good when it's clean. So that's my project for today. I'd make a quick little video so I'd have something to put on my channel this week. Hope you guys enjoy my videos. If you do, hit the thumbs up button, like my videos, and subscribe. Comment what you'd like me to show you on the Batmobile, what you'd like to see. If I can get some help videoing, maybe I can show you some more driving clips. But enough about my car. A little Adams detail spray. Touched it up this morning after cleaning it last night. I know my videos aren't the greatest quality, but you know, just kind of restarting up the channel now that I've got the charger. Spending this beautiful day outside, enjoying my car. Still haven't been able to get to a cruise night yet. Hopefully soon. Now just a little update on cleaning the car. I had about 3 weeks ago I polished it with paint correcting polish, with hand polish. Then I put on top of that I put some liquid paint sealant on it, and it was looking really good. As you see in my last video, you can see some of the way the car looked afterwards. And then at the about a week and a half later, I put some buttery wax on there, and when you think it couldn't get any shinier, it got shinier. I don't know how that stuff works, but this black paint just continues to shine, even though it's got a lot of flaws in it, tons of flaws. But when you look at it like this, you don't really see them. You get up close, and I get a little personal with the car. I see every single one of them, and it drives me nuts. And then last night I decided, after I washed it, I would do a quick garden gloss, which you just spray it on while you're drying the car, and wipe and rub it in with a wet towel, and then wipe it off with a dry towel. It's quick and easy. A little hard to do in the dark. I had some touch up this morning. As you can see, there's another spot I got to hit right here. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but there's a little smudge mark there. I'll get that. But overall, the car's looking good, sounding good, running strong, and hopefully you guys are enjoying my videos. You know, and like I said, let me know if there's anything you'd like me to video for you. If I can, I will. I may not be able to do it, but you know. But I hope you enjoy the car. I know I am, and hopefully we'll get to some cruise nights soon, and I can show it off to some people. You know, the car's far from being done, but you know, money's running out. Can't do much more at this point, except for stuff that I can do for free. I'm probably going to take off the Charger and the all-wheel drive, stuff like that. You know, just stuff that doesn't cost anything. I already have all the polishes and waxes and stuff, so I can just continue to experiment with the Adams polishes now that I have a full array of their products. I really enjoy their products. I think it's some of the best that I've ever had. And if you need something to really make your car stand out, look up Adams polishes. They have videos on every single one of their products, just about. Show you how to use them, what they do, what they're for, how to layer them. But at this point, I think I'll just get back to work, finish getting this Dynamat in, see how it sounds. Maybe in one of the next videos I can give you a clip of how it sounds with that in there, and try and tie it with the clips I have of the way it sounded after the exhaust was done and without it in there. We'll see if you can tell a difference in the video. Alright, we'll see you in the next one.